Today I'm going to show you how to operate the mesh clasp. We have it on some of our jewelry and watches here at Stauer. Now if you look here, there's a couple clasps you have to undo. First is this one up top. Then underneath there's a second clasp going the other way. Open that up. Now there is a little hook that's connected over a bar. You need to undo that. So if you want to adjust it, you go over here to this clasp. Inside there's a little hinge clasp that has a hole, and I'm going to take a pen, put that through the hole to open it up. Then you can adjust it, move it up and down. You have to find the grooves and connect them with this little notch that you see here. Once you do that, you press down on the clasp that you just opened. Then, this piece has a little claw. There's a bar on this end. You put that over the bar, close this clasp, then put the other clasp over top. And you're done. It's back in one piece.